everybody, and Merry Christmas. I wanted to wear a Christmas sweater for this video, and this is actually the only Christmas sweater that I have. I've had it since I was in 3rd grade, which is why there's holes in it. And it's a little bit too small for me, but I wanted to be festive, so here we are. So today we're talking about how to use tone clusters on the piano. And so this harkens back a little bit to a video we made a while back that was about embracing mistakes and finding dissonance. And so that video was all about kind of being able to play things that maybe sound a little bit ugly at first and kind of using those in our improvisations. Dissonance doesn't always have to be ugly, and hopefully that's something that you found out by improvising based on that video. There's something, so to the main point, there's something called tone clusters, which basically is when you play a bunch of notes that are right next to each other at the same time. And so a lot of times you'll just use each of your fingers, and just play them all together. You can do it on the white notes. You can add some black notes in. You can do it just on the black notes. You can do it a little bit unconventionally with your palm of your hand. There's even pieces that call for you playing with your whole forearm. There's a piece of music by Charles Ives that has you actually use a long piece of wood and you place it on all the black keys, and then you actually play stuff on the white keys. So tone clusters are a really important part of music, and they don't have to be, ugly. A lot of times if you just play like, it can at first sound like kind of jarring, different from something like that. But if you use it within the context, and if you kind of view it from a different way, it can be really lovely. And so the reason that I chose to use those on Christmas is because they can often create sounds that sound like bells. And so, like, if you're doing a really high tone cluster and kind of repeating it, it sounds like a bell. That sounds way more like a bell than I even thought it would. And then maybe on the low end of the piano, it can be more maybe like a gong or like a big ringing bell. I don't know, that sounds a little bit less like a bell to me, but maybe think about it. I mean, that could just be a creepy bell. I don't know. So I'm just gonna try to improvise some bell-like sounds, and I hope you do the same and find some enjoyment out of it. And Merry Christmas! Thanks for watching.